If you ask me, potatoes are the best part of any meal. So of course we had to try this viral TikTok potato trend and took inspiration from Josh Elkin to turn it into a breakfast sandwich. First we made a seasoned oil by combining salt, pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and olive oil in a small bowl. Set the oil aside for later, then carefully cut the sides off one medium potato. Cut in half lengthwise so the two pieces are about the same thickness. Next, place a skewer on either side of the potato and make vertical slices with a sharp knife. Make sure you hold the skewers in place to prevent the knife from cutting all the way through. Flip the potato over and this time make diagonal slices, again making sure the knife never goes all the way through. When you're done, you should be able to gently pull the potato open like an accordion. Next, carefully poke one of the skewers all the way through the potato. Gently stretch the potato over the skewer into that accordion shape. The skewer will keep the potato in this shape, which will result in super crispy edges. Brush both sides of each potato with the seasoned oil, then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, lay bacon on a lined baking sheet and cover with parchment paper and another tray. This is the best way to get evenly cooked, crispy bacon. Put the bacon in the same oven for 15 to 25 minutes, depending on how crispy you like it. Once the potatoes and bacon are done, it's time for assembly. Carefully slide the skewers out of the potatoes, then top with a sprinkle of grated cheddar cheese. We used a mix of white and orange cheddar. Next, top with bacon and scrambled eggs prepared however you like them. Finally, sprinkle on more cheese and place the other potato on top. I don't know about you, but I'm never going back to regular breakfast sandwiches after this. Subscribe to Dished for more viral recipes.